Hey there, how you doing? This is Antoinette from smartneedle. I am so excited to share our new Quilted Trio Pouches Collection. 3 cute and practical pouches for your phone, glasses, and pens, all done completely in the hoop. They are fast, fun to make, and perfect for gift, craft shows, or everyday use. Let's get started. Let's hoop one layer of tearaway stabilizer and run your first spool color over the stabilizer. Now let's cover the whole guideline with a piece of cotton batting as the video shows. Now let's run the tack down stitch to secure the batting to the project. Once it's done, go ahead and trim all around the stitch line to remove the excess of batting. Now that the batting is all trimmed, go ahead and place a pattern fabric of your choice over it, making sure it fully covers the batting area. Next spool color will run the tack down stitch to secure the pattern fabric to the project. Next spool color will do a guideline to let you know where the first applique fabric will be. Let's quickly prepare the applique fabric. Go ahead and iron on some heat and bond to the back of this fabric. This will help it sticks nicely to the project, especially since we're using a blanket stitch applique. Now peel off the paper backing from the heat and bond and lay the fabric over the applique guideline, making sure it fully covers the area. Now let's run the tack down stitch to secure the heat and bond fabric to the project. Once it's done, go ahead and trim all around the stitch line to remove the excess of fabric. The following spool color will start doing the quilting pattern all over the heat and bond fabric as the video shows. Keep your machine running to stitch the blanket applique right along the edge of the yellow fabric. We are using white embroidery thread to blend it with the light yellow, since we really want to focus to be on the beautiful quilting pattern. Now cut a small piece of fabric about 2 inches by 3.5 inches. This will be our little tab so you can hook a keychain, a ribbon, or anything you like. Here is our tab, all ready to go. Place it in position and secure it with a piece of paper tape. Just follow the video to see exactly where it goes. Now cover the entire embroidery area with a pattern fabric of your choice, making sure the wrong side of the fabric is facing up towards you. Run your final spool color to stitch the tack down line to attach all fabrics together. This stitch will leave a small opening, so you will be able to turn your project inside out once it's finished. Now go ahead and unhook your project. Then carefully cut all around the stitch line, leaving about 1/4 inch seam allowance. When you get to the opening area, cut the fabric a little longer. This will make it easier to fold the edges inside later for a nice clean finish. As you can see, I already trimmed around the stitch line. Now we're going to remove the stabilizer that runs along the edge of the project, just like you see in the video. Now we're going to turn the project inside out. Once it's flipped, go ahead and fold the fabric edges from the opening inward to prepare for closing it up nicely. We're going to give both sides a good press with the iron, just like you see in the video. This will help flatten everything nicely and give your pouch a clean, professional finish. This step is optional, but if you like to add any embellishment or a personal label, now is the perfect time before we close the pouch. I love adding little details like that. They really give the pouch or any project that extra special touch. Now you're going to fold the project in half to create the pouch shape. Then just follow the video as we hand stitch or machine stitch right along the edge to close it up. And just like that, your pouch is done. It turned out so beautiful. I even added a little tassel to the fabric tab for that extra special touch. As you can see, I made all three sizes to show you just how pretty and useful they really are. Now it's time to fill them up. Pop in your phone, your glasses, your pencils, and all those little essentials. These pouches are as practical as they are pretty. 3 different hoop sizes, endless uses. They are super quick to make and the results are absolutely adorable. Thank you for joining me today. Now it's your turn to stitch something magic.